Here are some great organic options for breakfast under $5 that you can purchase on Amazon today for you and your family. My link is in bio. If you want to go through my link, that would be great. If not, that's fine. Go to Amazon.com and search for these items. Annie's Homegrown Cocoa Bunnies are delicious and everybody loves them. Great snack. $4.49 right now, 20% off coupon. Cascadian Farm is a big hit in our family. The Cinnamon Crunch cereal and also the granola chocolate chip bars are delicious. They all have 20% off coupons right now for Sub and Save for select accounts, so check those out. Hit that heart button and share this deal if